My hands are callous from holding the rope in a tug of war between maybe and hope. The debt is a mountain, the ocean is dry, and I've forgotten the reason we even should try. I'm a king of a king.
Also, by the way, a lot of Synology parts, you know, this is a 1525, so this unit's only a year old, maybe only months old. Something warranty probably wouldn't cover because of the, you know, they consider it consumer damage, not a defect in manufacture. So, what I decided to do is that since the that rail has so many parts in it, it's best not to waste time when you got a bunch of units that still keep coming in. So what I'll do is I rebuild these later when I get them. We have every part you can pretty much need for a NAS. So if you ever need service or need a part, just contact me. The link is in the description. So whenever we get rails and they're damaged and we have spare parts, we'll actually replace them. So, and because a lot of them have to get rebuilt because things go wrong on them, chips blow, or more commonly when people ship with drives installed in it. So I kind of wrote good on this one. So these I'll rebuild later, including his. And so I'll just put this in there. It's done. It took me, you know, like 15 minutes. It's out the door and customers happy and units tested working perfectly. So we do have the parts, pretty much parts for every single model, including the newer models. So I'll have this in there and have this NAS sent out. He's pretty much done. This is clear cut and dry. There's nothing really to show for it. So, but thanks for stopping by and watching. So this was a decision I had to make and just do this one. Again, it probably had bad connectors on it and I just replaced them. So you can do that if you want. It's not easy sometimes for a user to do it, but we do it here. It's not expensive. It's very inexpensive, actually. And I believe the rails are even on my eBay page, so I sell these too. So you can even do it yourself if you're handy. I think they're like $75 to buy one of these. So, but it's an exchange program where you actually have to send in your old one in order to get one of these for $75. In very rare cases, if the customer wants the drives repaired, we're going to, because the connectors can be broken on them, so we'll try to make a data recovery process available. So there's going to be a copy of the drive. This is nice because it's a direct offline copier. You just turn it on, push a button, and it copies the drive. So now this is an 1815 rail, and another one where the customer shipped it with drives installed. So it looks pretty good here, but things start getting bad to worse. That's what really happens, and it's very common for this to happen. This rail is a little bit more complicated to do and tougher because it has through-hole pinning instead of the surface mount version like in the 1525. So, and getting through those is very hard for a normal person to do because honestly, there's a lot of, you know, there's cladding here, so the heat's going to be dissipated from the soldering iron, so it takes a lot of heat to remove these. But I do fix them. So, and in fact, here's one that's been fully restored, and you, like I said, you can buy this part from me. This is from an 1815, and I sell them for like $75, and it's just an exchange program that I offer. You send in your old board and I'll send you this one, or you can expedite this one with a deposit until your old one returns. So you can contact me about that. So if ever you have a NAS you shipped and it had drives in it and it got destroyed, this is what you're gonna need. So never ever ship a NAS if you're buying one or selling one. Never put drives in it, because once the shipper throws that box around, say goodbye to your drives and your NAS, maybe your SATA rails. Some people don't even know that it's been torn, and they power on the NAS while the drives are still in it. They came with it, and bzz, there goes the motherboard, fried, and nothing you can do about it.